Hey there, folks. This is DMC Jedi Man coming to you with another video. Before I tell you what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay notified of when I upload. So we're trying another Kit Kat today, and today's is birthday cake flavored Kit Kat. Now, unfortunately, it's a few months until my birthday still, so I guess I'm having this cake a little on the early side, but I wanted to try it, and I certainly don't want to just hold on to this for another 5 months or so. So there's a close up of what it looks like with all the sprinkles and stuff. Yep, that's birthday cake, all right. Mmm, good stuff. Find it interesting when companies do birthday cake flavored things. I really want to try the birthday cake flavored Dr. Pepper someday. That will be a treat. But yeah, these are good. I recommend them. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that taste test, and I'll be back with another video soon. Peace, everybody.